What's the meaning of backwater? Backwater. Backwater.
Backwater. Backwater. The term backwater refers to a place that is remote and isolated, usually lacking in modern amenities and infrastructure. It is often used to describe rural or remote areas that are economically deprived and have little access to resources and opportunities. Backwaters can also refer to bodies of water that are stagnant or slow-moving, such as swamps, marshes, or certain sections of rivers and streams. These areas may be home to unique wildlife and vegetation but are often viewed as undesirable by people due to their perceived lack of economic opportunities and modern conveniences. Overall, the term backwater has negative connotations and is generally associated with underdevelopment and isolation.